The shoulder press, if not done correctly, can put a lot of stress on a healing diastasis. So you really want to make sure that the lower abs are engaged here and that there is no bulging or doming of the abs. So definitely be really cautious of this. And the thing with the shoulder press and any sort of overhead press is this is really not a movement that can be avoided in real life. So you are taking plates, you're putting them on a top shelf, you are doing a number of things overhead. And so it's not one of these things that we can ignore. We really have to learn how to do this correctly and safely so that we can kind of go about our day. Because I don't think every one of us has someone following us and cleaning up after us, all day long. And a lot of times you're doing these movements all while carrying an infant. So you want to make sure that we're doing this correctly. And again, like I said, you want to make sure that the abs are activated during this activity. So you want to do your nice big inhale, and then on the exhale, of course, we're going to breathe up through the pelvic floor, contracting that pelvic floor, zipping up the abs, and then lifting the arms and putting that object into a high shelf, for example. So the same is with your shoulder press activity. You want to make sure that the abs are engaged and that there is no coning or bulging or doming going on with the abs throughout this exercise. So you want to also make sure that your back is working and your glutes are turned on. So try maybe a little bit of a bend in the knee or something, and that will help make this exercise a little safer. So take this one slow, think about it, and you can even do this in front of a mirror, looking at your abs and seeing what is going on during this exercise.